It's Jane o'clock na. Hello mga ka-char. So alam niyo ba na here in New Zealand nung nagsisimula kami, lahat ng bagay, lahat ng gamit sa bahay ay dinonate lang sa amin. So meron ditong group na sa FB na Pay It Forward. Tapos yun, nag-aabang lang kami ng mga bagay na alam mo yun, pwedeng ma-donate para sa amin. Kasi nga, we were starting. Tapos, syempre, big factor din na we are part of a community, yung CFC. They really helped us a lot also. From plates, to kutsara, to beds, hanggang sa dining table. Lahat. Sobrang thankful kami kasi, alam niyo yun, God is giving us the right people for this new journey. Lagi namang ganun eh, 'di ba? So, again, here in New Zealand, one of the things that you should be aware of, lalo na for those who are starting, you can always ask for help, especially to other Filipinos kasi they will definitely help you. Kasi sabi nga nila, sino pa bang magtutulungan kundi tayo din lang. God bless us all and thank you for all the help.